shoes, which is the Titan 7 star cases. Top of the line, which is long span bridge, is made chrome cover, 4 unit. There's another Titan 7 stars before we going, and patients wear the titanium hybrid bar with you see the ore grinding. So we're going to increase the vertical dimensions from here, and then we're going to make the Titan 7 star case because there's a huge panic, and it's upper, same thing, huge panics. They make extremely thin case for them. All right, stay tuned. Stage 1. All right, so Titan 7 star case is top and bottom. They have to increase 4 millimeter open bite, and we trying to get the side, the facial side view, and bring it in. So I don't want to make the too bulky. The facial areas, you can bring it down, bring it in, so fine. Facially, 8 and 9, bring it in. Yes. A little bit more, that's fine. So I can get a better images profile. And then lower, so we have to cover the implant side. That's good. So we're going to cover the areas which is thin. Okay. And we're going to finish this one's cases soon. Show me the final the wax before. Yep, that was the from starting point. And then we increase the vertical dimension, side view. Alright, so sticking out the facial, of course, all the time. It makes this design, bring it in. Okay, it's nice. There's another beauty is hand fabricated, the restorations. Frame designs underneath panic. The upper, we're going to put the underneath panics for porcelains, but lower, due to thickness, we're going to make the metal. So now this is Titan 7 star cases framework is done. Now it's packed and sandblasted before that. So we're going to scan and design again. This is what it look like underneath inside. It's very imperative the thickness for the room for future zirconia restorations. Titan 7 star cases. Especially lower, I do not need any cervical margin like this. So we're going to cover it. So this area is no pink. This area is some pink. This area is no pink. That's the differentiations. I just noticed that. We make a little bit more detail. Cut it back. After design, Titan 7-star cases made from Datron D5. This is what it look like, this chrome cover. Alright, it's finished a really nice Hispanic. The individual's frustrations. Before we go to cementation, just make sure the wall, the proximal contact, everything's good. Alright. Alright. That one is another 4-unit bridge. From here. It's very smooth. Alright, now it's always done. Case. This is Titan 7-star cases 8 implant, which is the previous one. And here's the really grinding hybrid bar. Everything's gone. We're trying to repair it here for them, but occasionally we get the new shoes, which is the Titan 7-star cases. Top of the line, which is long span bridge, is made chrome cover, 4-unit. Or tooth mobility with the cementations. It's excellent tissue adaptations between the tooths. 4-unit bridge. And here is another lower. This is really good tissue adaptation in between the facial and lingual as well. Now, from this, we just increase the lower, the vertical dimension, because this patient grind a lot, and then we're going to cement soon this case. So this one is a before cement, so it's not settled yet, but you can see it's really poor fusion contact and then aesthetic as well. Now it's finally finish it. We can sandblast inside and then finish all this cementation as well. The cementation processing. We're going to see more processing past the video, and then especially I made the Patreon members. time. Sure. There is the procedures. It's coming up. Procedure. Case after took it out from the mother, just make sure the contact and fit. See the great emergency profile. K9. Lateral. Alright, this is what it looked like. There's a 4 unit. Here's another 4 unit as well. And then I would like to show you guys regarding the underneath, even though it's very good. Long panic, very thin. Now it is finals. It's great cementation without any composite in between the twists. This is the eccentric. This is the midline. And what is this finals? Alright. Alright, this is a great collection made from here to there, and also top and bottom is a soft night guard stands for them. Anyway, that one is 8 implants. It's long. It's very pretty long. It's AP spread out the pontic area. So compared to what patients read it previously, and here is what patient can get. Excellent. Right, the long span, the 2-piece, the great mobility, and the resistance cracking. Fortunately, I have to add a little bit more. It's because due to slower pontic, so we made it matter. Anyway, this is the finals. Just like piece of jewelry is going on. Alright, so we made a full video regarding the implant, and this is a before prosthetics, which is the hybrid bar, which is patients wear quite a bit, and then here is the old titanium porcelain, which is the change with this, right? So our focus is this contour aesthetic, and then not only that, and then we can have the function, which is we increase the vertical dimensions. Okay. And then now let me show you the final aesthetics after that. We citing 7-star cases. From carefully finish the both case like that. Okay. So you can see there are those beautiful cases going on, and then with the stand too, and then finalizing those cases. Okay.